Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. This opens Apple ID, Icloud, and media settings in one place. Confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple ID before continuing. If it is not enabled, follow on-screen prompts to turn it on using a trusted device or phone number. Have your iCloud email address and password ready so you can sign in quickly and avoid delays during setup. Keep a trusted device nearby for verification. In Settings, tap iCloud to view synced apps and services available. Find Mail in the list and toggle it on to add iCloud to the Mail app. When prompted, enter your iCloud password to confirm and allow Mail access to your account. If asked, approve any two-factor authentication codes on a trusted device to complete sign-in. Open the Mail app and pull down to refresh while waiting for messages to sync to your inbox. New iCloud email will appear automatically when the sync finishes. If Mail does not sync, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh credentials. For third-party Mail clients, generate an app-specific password in your Apple ID account and use it to sign in. Check that Mail is allowed in Settings under iCloud and also in Settings under Accounts and Passwords. Restart your device to clear temporary errors and retry syncing after reboot. If problems persist, check Apple. Apple.com for account status and security alerts that might block Mail access. Contact Apple support if you cannot resolve sign-in and syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.